Hi friends, this is Ramna. Today I will show demo on Excel sheet. So this is my data in the Excel sheet which contains 9 columns and 15 rows. So if you observe the data, there are some blanks in each column. If you see in A and B, there are some blanks are there. Now in this demo, I want to show how to fill all these blank values with one value. First, I am selecting first Ctrl G and select special and select blanks. So if you select blanks, automatically cursor will move to first blank value. See here, again I'm repeating. I put the cursor in the value column, that is D6, and I am selecting Ctrl G first and special and blanks and OK. So immediately it will go to B2, that is non-blank blank cell. B2 is the address of the blank cell. So now I am entering one value here, that is no value. That means in these blank values I don't put any value, and just control and enter. Automatically all blank values will filled with no value. Your text, whatever text you want to fill, it will fill. All blank values will replace with your text. Or else I will do one thing. Once again I am telling Control G and go to special and select blanks. So immediately it go to first blank cell. I am entering here some other text, that is not assigned. Not assigned. This is the text I want to enter into the blank values, all blank values. Just shift, press the control and enter. Automatically all blank values filled with not assigned text. See here. So wherever you find the not assigned, that means earlier this cell as blank. So this is how you need to select and enter the same value in Excel sheet. So if it is just 9 columns and 15 rows, it is easy to enter as per your requirement. But if your Excel sheet contains the number of columns and number of rows, for the filtering purpose, the developers make all blank values with one text, one common text, so that it can filter afterwards. So if you select it, put the filter data and put the filter here. So if you select this one, so it will easy to filter the not assigned value. That is how it helps at the time of the generating the reports. Instead of sending the blank values, it is easy to write the one common value and in all blank values and generate the reports. That's what it is very useful. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.